Guys, this is Aryan. Oh, no. Sorry about that. So this is the powder. So come on, let's try. Look at it. Wait, we just need can. Just gonna need this, and then look at it. So maybe so about this. So this is the water. So let's pour it in this. So let's go to it because my grandmother doesn't like it. So 1, 2, look at it. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Whoa! Super! Whoa! Look at it. Look at it. Boom. Sorry about the lighting. We don't have any lighting. So let's go to this table. So we don't have any lighting. So this is the So let's put it in the bottle. What the hell? So this is the water bottle. I folded up here, experimenting. So I think about it. Versus powder, baby powder versus water they make. So let's put it in here. Let's go to the sink. Then 1, 2. Ah! Oh, the powder. No! No! Nobody. Oh, we don't have a. So let's put. So let's shake it out. Oh no, no, no. That's not the card. Sorry about that. So thanks cameraman. So no camera girl. So the camera girl is, let me hand the camera. So that's the camera girl. Smile! Smile! Yeah. So that's my sister. So she's not pretty. Just joking. So whoa, this looks like milk. See? Whoa! There. It's like coconut. So leave a comment what do you want next. So peace. Goodbye.